Verbs in English with examples. Please repeat slowly. Do, did, done. I do homework every day. I did homework last year. I have done homework for many years. Go, went, gone. I go to school every day. I went to school last year. I have gone to school for many years. Sleep, slept, slept. I sleep every night. I slept last night. I have slept every night. Jump, jumped, jumped. I jump sometimes. I jumped yesterday. I have jumped for many years. Sit, sat, sat. I sit every day. I sat yesterday. I have sat for a long time. Dance, danced, danced. I dance every week. I danced last Saturday. I have danced in many places. Read, read, read. I read every morning. I read yesterday. I have read many books. See, saw, seen. I see birds sometimes. I saw some birds on a tree. I have seen many birds lately. Take, took, taken. I take apples for lunch every Sunday. I took the apple from the desk. I have taken apples for lunch all week. Play, played, played. I play video games every weekend. I played video games today. I have played a lot of video games lately. Drink, drank, drunk. I drink water every morning. I drank a lot of water today. I have drunk a lot of water lately. Eat, ate, eaten. I eat pizza every Sunday. I ate pizza last Sunday. I have eaten pizza all my life. Work, worked, worked. I work from home every day. I worked from home this year. I have worked from home for 12 years. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, follow, share, like. And again, thank you so much. Good luck in your English studies. See you soon.